Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step in today's video? I'm going to show you how to add text box to your photo using Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, make sure you download the Canva app from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, open the app, sign in, and on your screen you can see at the bottom there's Home, Projects, plus sign, Templates, and Pro. Tap on that plus sign and select the photo you want to add text box to, and you can add it to a template that's given by Canva or using a new design. It's gonna take a few seconds. Now on the screen you can see the picture you selected. Now on the bottom of your screen you can find design elements, text, camera roll, brand, uploads, draw, apps, projects, etc. You have to select text. Once you select text, you can see there's an option called add a text box. There you can add a text, delete it, duplicate it, etc. And guys, that's it. That's how you add text box on your photo using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.